built, and I will focus on these 4 research questions, and they align with my research objectives. Number 1 question, the keyword is current curriculum. I will explore the current syllabus of Pakistani madrasas and punduks in Malaysia. The purpose of this research is to evaluate the current madrasa and punduk curriculum, and then why I explore to determine their structure, content, and sustainability for educational objectives. The second question is, yes, please. Okay. The second question is significant challenges. What are the significant challenges that the madrasa and punduk education system face in integrating modern syllabus into their education system? So the objective is to identify the challenges that face these institutions often face while implementing the modern education system and teaching methods. The third question is how are the madrasa and punduks adapting to the modern education system, because there are some punduks here we can call modern punduks, and also here in Pakistan side there are some